Hi everyone, this is Citrix Receivers Tips and Tricks brought to you by the George Washington University Department of Geography. So, first tip we wanted to share with you is proximity to your wireless signal. Most of you are aware that you have a wireless router in your house, and the closer you bring your laptop, or even if you have a desktop that's wireless enabled, the closer it is to the signal will actually help things out some. Or, if you can acquire a Cat6 Ethernet cable for physical hookup for your router to your laptop or desktop, that would definitely help. And these are available. I'll go ahead and just show you real quick. You go to Amazon, you could just type Cat6 cable. And it's fine. Comes through Cat6 Ethernet, it's not too expensive. Next, check your internet speed. Now, there isn't a whole lot that you guys could do about this, but it's worth checking on. And I'm going to go ahead and run a check right in front of you now to see what Verizon in Virginia is showing. This is download speed testing. And now it's going to test upload. So we've got low 40s for download and low 30s for upload. Question might be, is that good? Well, let's see. So what speed internet do you really need? This website are all provided in the PowerPoint. But we've got best speeds for working from home. Email 3 to 4, Skype 10, large file transfers 40 plus. So if we jump back, Verizon's doing okay, I suppose. But here, if you're gaming or something, you're going to need more than that. But something probably for the purposes of Citrix, we're looking at 40 plus, somewhere around there. Another option is to use Citrix Receiver in light mode, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what I mean by that. So just hop on to normal CCAS, apps.ccas.gwu.edu. And we're back into normal old Citrix Receiver. And when you guys boot this up, let's do Qter. It's a little bit quicker to load. What I want you to keep an eye on is the toolbar down here where Qter will be added. And you see the little Qter box. It extended itself over to my other screen, but it's over here. So what this is the main Citrix receiver mode. And what we said back here was try Citrix Receiver in light mode. And what we mean by that is we need to switch basically exactly how Citrix behaves. And in order to do that, we go up here and go ahead and click Account Settings. And you've got a list of passwords, logoffs, etc. and change Citrix Receiver. Go ahead and click that. This gets a little bit confusing. This little tiny button down here, it says Use Light Version. When I click it, it'll appear like nothing has happened. Oh, fantastic. Okay. But if we hop back to Apps, I go ahead and run Qter again. It opens a new window. So Qter is now part of my web tabs. Now, some people prefer this method. There's a drop-down tab that involves downloading, uploading, monitoring clipboards, things like that. But this is another method to try to pick up the pace for remote working with Citrix. Let me do that one more time just to make sure everybody got it. Let me close Qdir. So if I switch back to account settings, change receiver, detect receiver, I'm going to full mode, Qdir, and open. It'll boot up down here again. There you have the full version of Qdir as a standalone on my desktop. Close that. And account settings, change receiver, light mode, apps, Qdir, and then open, new web page. So, let's see. And finally, let me jump back and, here we go. Finally, number 4, always close your programs when you are done. This may be the most important step because it frees up server space from hang-ups, which throughout the week will go ahead and eat away at bandwidth, and you might find throughout the semester that things are starting to clog up towards the end of the week. Now, this is as simple as it sounds. Let me just go ahead and X out of this. If I have Citrix open, when I am done with it, do not just close your laptop screen. We're asking you to, if you have, let's say, let me open Qdir again. There you go. Let's say Qdir is ArcMap, or you have Geoda open, or something like that. When you are done, we are literally asking you to do this. Hit the X here, and when you are done here, you can do log off, logging off Citrix receiver, and closing. That is it. Let's see, 1 through 4. Always close your programs when you're done. That is it for tips and tricks with Citrix receiver.